What is up, my YouTube followers and all YouTubers alike? It is your girl Tanisha, also known as She's a Model. Today I'm going to show y'all my top 7 lip combos that I just really love and adore. I did get this concept from another YouTuber, and I went to Macy's on Black Friday and I said, you know what? I gotta pick these up. I need to try this on my skin tone. I need to see how this looks on me. I'm really excited to get into this video, so I'm gonna get straight into this video so that y'all can see how these colors came out and just how good they look on me. I just want to mention this is brown skin girl friendly, so if you have brown beautiful skin, these colors will look very nice and very natural on you. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So like I mentioned, I did go to Macy's and I purchased about 7 lipsticks. So let me get into these amazing combos. All right, so the first combo that we're gonna get into is double fudge and honey love. So this is like a brown staple. Like if you like your brown lips, your brown tone lips, this combo is going to be what you need in your arsenal. All right, so let me show y'all how this look. I actually did these all already, so I was able to see how all the colors look on me, but I just want to show y'all how they would look on you as well. All right, so this is how the double fudge looks. Really nice consistency, nice color. So we're just gonna do, what we're gonna do is just outline the lip with the double fudge, okay? So let's just get this nice and clean. As you guys can see, I already had lipstick on, so excuse me if you see a different lip color on. So we're just gonna outline the lips. We're just gonna take the honey love and we're gonna add it right into the center of my lips. This is the honey love. There you go. This is the honey love, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and outline her right on the bottom of my lip and the top. Gonna blend her in. So you guys see that? So this is a nice and cute, just simple look. Literally goes with any eyeshadow, which I really love. Double fudge and honey love. The next lip combo that we are doing is a Diva and All Fired Up. Let's go ahead and go in with Diva. The All Fired Up is kind of like a reddish tone, really cute. I love this tone, so we're just gonna go ahead and go in. It's like a kind of like a fuchsia tone. Really cute, y'all. Look at that. So beautiful. So now we have another cute, beautiful look. You guys, when I tell you these colors and these tones are going to look good on your skin and they last so long, which is what I really love. If you're looking for like a more pinker tone, these 3 tones are going to be chef kiss in your arsenal. What we're gonna do is use Diva to outline the lip, and we're gonna use Flat Out Fabulous to outline the lip on top of it. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the darker one first, which is Diva, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Flat Out Fabulous, but let's start with Diva first. Like I said, we're just gonna outline the lip. So we have Diva nice and outlined. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with Flat Out Fabulous right on top of Diva. Yeah, excuse me because it's so hard to do this without using the mirror. I'm literally like using the camera screen. So if it's not perfect, please bear with me, all right? So we went in with Diva and the Flat Out Fabulous. So now we're just gonna go ahead and go in with Snob right in the center of that. So our next set of combos is Flat Out and Snob. So we're gonna go ahead and, like I mentioned, outline the darker tone, which is Flat Out Fabulous, and go in with Snob. Love it. It reminds me of like a Barbie, like it's given Barbie. I really, really like it. So the next color that we're gonna try is Ruby Roo. Ruby Roo is like a nice and awesome red tone. This is the perfect red tone for us brown skin girlies. I'm gonna show you how it looks right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and go all in with this lipstick. I believe it's a retro matte, so it's really, really good with staying put. You just excuse me if it looks like I have different lipsticks on the outer line of my lip. It's because I've been changing it so much. It's getting tired. But this is how Ruby Roo looks. This is like the most perfect red. I love it. So our last and final color combination will be Diva and Snob. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Diva first. We're gonna go ahead and go in with Snob. That concludes my video on my best color combinations and single colors as well for us brown skin girls. I did get this from a YouTuber. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in the beginning, but I will put her down in the description as well so you guys can check her out also. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more videos like these. Let me know what colors you want to try. But listen, y'all, if you guys are looking for some good lipstick, go to MAC. MAC has the best lipsticks of all time, all right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a giveaway coming up, so you want to make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you can get this giveaway. I promise y'all it's going to be a good one. I want to drop it before the New Year's, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope y'all have a peaceful and a blessed day and or night whenever you are watching this. One love, y'all. Peace.